If you don't have notes on your Instagram account, if you don't have notes, keep watching this video and make sure you do the exact steps in this video, and you will be able to use notes on your Instagram just like I did and all my friends did, as you can see here, guys. Let me switch to my other account. I just made this new account as an example so that I can show you how you can add notes in the top left of your messaging. When you click this airplane in the top right, you will see here notes. Okay, most people don't know what notes are for, what's the purpose of notes. Notes is it's like you are writing something and people that you follow back or your closed friends are going to see these notes. Okay, you are just typing something and people are going to see it. It's not something crazy, honestly. It's just the same thing as stories. It's like it's just a trend, so if you want to add, guys, notes on your Instagram, here's exactly how you can do this. All you have to do, guys, you want to go to your Play Store or App Store and update the app to the latest version. Click on Instagram, search for Instagram and update the app to the latest version. Okay, and then click update here. It says firmware open because I already updated the app to the latest version. Now see if the problem is resolved or not. If it doesn't work, guys, click in the video in the screen. I just made this video showing you guys how you can get Instagram notes.